eigentlich ziemlich hell, es kommt leider nicht mehr auf dem Video, das ist ein Glück. Ja, meine 16 Kubik. Was eine traumhafte Gewichtung. 70 Grad. Zwischen 16 und 70 Grad. Knallt richtig schön rein. Schiebt uns hier richtig über den Ozean. Ja, das ist so. Nicht übernehmen, aber die
So, we done everything to empty this bottle. It was a very hard task. But finally we made it. So, we use it. We got an idea to write a letter and we dropped this message right here. Actually this position is north 90 degrees, 58 minutes and 25 seconds. West 144 degrees, 59 minutes and 19 seconds. Right about 600 miles east of Hawaii. In the middle of the ocean. Right? So, we will see if we get an answer. Eh? Give it a try. Ready?
Fair winds and following seas.
Whatever! For a nice answer!
Luckily we caught a tuna right in front of Hilo, and it was a big one. Because we don't have a gaff, just pull it on board. And to kill it, to prevent we have the cockpit full of blood, we use rum, a little rum in the gills, and it's quickly over. Because Rebecca sighted land first, she wanted to sit on top of our pyramid, our arrival picture. We anchored in Radio Bay in Hilo, which is a very protected bay. There's pretty much no water movement at all. So we enjoyed the calmness and the peacefulness and the not moving of the boat. Next morning we had a nice breakfast in the cockpit. And then we started exploring the island.
We made it! We made it! Aloha! We are on Hawaii. Sand between our toes. 3 days offshore. It's in the past. It was a one-in-a-kind experience for me. It was just what I ever dreamt about, being on the ocean. Just happened. 20 days offshore, 20 days no land, 20 days no sight of land at all. So I was very happy. Every morning I woke up and I looked outside. All this unbelievable blue. Yeah, I felt happy, very happy. And this is very unique feeling to be happy for such a long period.
Well, for me personally it was a great experience to be out there on the ocean. People asked me before if I maybe would be scared not to have land inside and be so far out on the water. But I figured out that I'm not scared at all.
I dreamt so long about it, but couldn't really imagine how it feels like, and it feels great. It feels just great to be on the ocean. If you see it on a map or on Google Earth or wherever, it's hard to believe that we sailed all this big distance without stopping anywhere. This is so much water, nearly 2,700 miles. Just water. That feels very, very good. So, I love it. I just love it.
It was a great time and a marvelous trip. The greatest experience was to feel the freedom on the ocean and to watch the beautiful blue of the water. We catch awesome fish. We lost some too. We learned a lot for fishing as well, and we had beautiful weather.
The weather was just perfect for us. We didn't have any storms, any calms, any big rain. Later we were looking for some rain. We were hoping we'd get some rain to wash the boat a little with some fresh water, maybe have a nice outdoor shower. But we didn't have lots of rain. We had a couple drops and that's it. Everything else was just sunny, sunny, sunny. It was hot. It was getting hotter and hotter as closer we came to Hawaii. But the wind helps, and with a nice breeze, this was a very, very pleasant ride.
Of course there had been some moments where I wasn't sure if I like it, or maybe I was also a little bit frightened. The boat makes crazy noises, you have to get used to it, and some moments I got pretty mad. For example, when my pizza started flying off the counter right away, and some other minor moments, but at all it was a great experience and so funny.
Zero performed very good. I had so many concerns about what can break, and the rule is everything what can break will break out there. Nothing broke. I mean, we had one broken fuse that confused us a little. We had a total blackout. Everything was pitch dark in the middle of the night. Dark, moonless night. It took us an hour to figure out what the problem was. I checked the fuse first, of course, but I didn't see that it's broken. So I checked everything else was fine. We couldn't get the engine started. Frank was steering by hand during this time, no autopilot. Light was just by torches. And yeah, then I figured out the switch was, not the switch, the fuse was broken. I changed it and everything was fine. Engine starts, everything was good. And we were back on track. Autopilot could go back to work and yeah, we kept on going. The other thing was the generator. We had a cut in the generator. We took it down and Rebecca sewed it. So this was all. And Zero did a very, very good job. So I'm very happy for this. 27 miles. 2,700 miles without any big damage. Either we have a good boat or a good preparation before, hopefully both.
Of course, we had pretty good sailing conditions and no storms, nothing to scare you at all. But it was so peaceful seeing the boat going through the seas and see this crazy blue water.
Sailing with Rebecca and Frank was pretty much the best decision we could make. I'm so happy Frank decided to come with us over the ocean, and I'm very, very happy we made it. We made the refit in time, so it fits his time frame. 3 people on watch is very helpful. It's way easier than 2 people. And having him on board is just another guy to talk to, another one who brings some ideas in and has lots of fun. And Frank got some crazy ideas. I just remember Radio Zero. I guess this was his idea after a couple of beer. Yeah, that was just nice. Very, very nice. Rebecca helped us so much, prepared most of the food for us. And yeah, I just was the captain and did nothing. Now, seriously, I'm very, very thankful for having both on board, and thank you guys coming with me.
Yeah, sometimes the night shift had been a little bit tiring. You don't sleep that much, and yeah, the constant rolling of the boat makes it a little bit hard to fall asleep. But we were so thankful and so happy that Frank was with us and shared the shift. So we had lots more sleep than we would have when we were 2 people, so yeah. I felt it was really peaceful and great to see the boat going so nice through the ocean. Crazy blue water, color I've never seen before on water. Yeah, so it was really a great moment in my life, I guess.
It's, yeah, unbelievable. It's kind of sad that we arrived.
Just a piece of experience more in my mind.
It was a great experience, and I really, really can hardly recommend people just try it. Do it also.
I would do it straight again.
Yeah, I would do it again.
I'm looking really forward to the next big leg, but right now we are on Hawaii and we will enjoy it for a long time. So Hawaii, be ready for us.
Action!
Action!